Thank you. Alright. Check out 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven.
You gotta get the chart on.
We were right, Fifth Avenue's just down there, but we pulled up next to 7-Eleven to check out the Mexican 7-Eleven and see what they got here.
We heard us start. It was like, here?
Yeah. All sorts. Let's see what Mexican beers they got. Oh, Modelo. That makes sense. It's very popular beer. Corona Light. Well, lots of Corona Light. Wow, some cool ass beers.
7-Eleven.
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 7-Eleven. Alright. See if we can find some Mexican snacks. Pretty toasty actually, isn't it?
Very.
We're walking to 10th Avenue, looking to find some food. We'll take you with us, but we're currently walking we're in Playa Del Carmen. It's quite a touristy part of the of Cancun anyway. So there's like there's like iPhone shops, Pandora and all sorts. So we're not really in any brushy places, but yeah, hoping to find somewhere to get some actual good tacos. And I want a hat as well. My head is getting a bit warm, so I'll see if I can find one on the way. Alright, we're on the main strip now. This is 10th Avenue. This is where all of the it's like a high street basically. So I'm gonna go find somewhere to eat. I want a hat as well. Like I said, I'm roasting, but I would also like some tacos. No gracias. Yeah, Subway. Can't go wrong with Subway. No, thank you. Alright. If I see a hat that I want, I'll stop to get it, but is that for Hola, buenos días. No necesito, gracias.
Outfit, the red one.
I'd look good in that, wouldn't I?
Oh yeah.
Amigo, para comer?
Sí, por supuesto.
Necesito comida sin gluten.
Si gustas, puede ver la carta.
Sí, pues gracias. Gracias. Let's go. Off you, my love.
No, you go first.
Found a spot to eat. We're off of the main sort of 10th Avenue even. Ordered some tacos, and Lauren's got some vegetarian tacos as well. So just wait for those to turn up. It is pretty warm, but there are a couple of fans dotted around, so hopefully those will make do. Toasty out there, so we moved into the air-conditioned section. But I wanted to show you each or nearly every table of this restaurant. It's got these they're like stuffed dolls. I don't actually know even. No tocar, do not touch. But yeah, I don't know what it is. Just ordered some tacos and you got some tacos as well, didn't you? You got vegetarian tacos. So waiting for those to come, and I'll let you know what they look like. Tacos and Lauren's gyros. This is bitter, so I've got like pork. Sorry, I've got pork and I've got some bitter sauce, which looks like it's going to be spicy. Possibly. Let's give it a try. Give it a little dip. Oh man, that's so good. So good, Ryan. I mean, you can't try it, but I'm just gonna go down and treat. I want to try on the hat. Let me get through, go around. Perdón, excuse me. Thank you. Amiga, quiero una azul aquí. Sí, sí, gracias. Playa del Carmen. Sí. ¿Está bien? Gracias. Yo tomo, gracias. Sí. Get the cash out. 245. Está bien. Sí, gracias. I got my hat. Boom.
No.
Looking good.
Oh,
Oh,
thank
Hey,
you.
up it.
Look.
oh, that's cool as hell. Anyway, we're on the move. I'm looking for a Cancun FC football jersey. Let's see what we can find. I bought this hat. That was cool. But I checked in a shop the other day. I checked in the other shop and they didn't have any. But let's see. That's a Hard Rock Cafe. They got one in every major city or town. Let's see. Oh wow. The beach looks nice. I'll have to walk down there to check it out in a second, or another time, or whenever. This is wow. Let's see. Amigo, buen día. Necesito una camiseta de fútbol
de México.
de Cancún FC. ¿Tiene?
Eso apenas en Cancún.
Ah, sí.
Sí, aquí no. Aquí no lo encuentras.
¿Qué es el
Pionero,
partido
se llama
local?
Pionero.
Ah,
Aquí,
local.
aquí es Interplaya.
Interplaya.
Este es lo mismo
sí.
como el de Cancún.
Ah, sí. ¿Tiene Interplaya? No.
No,
¿Dónde
eso
puedo comprar?
nada más lo consigues en los juegos que ellos juegan.
Sí.
Porque no hay una tienda oficial.
No
de
hay.
eso. No.
No problem. De nada. Gracias, señor. Damn. Okay, so it turns out that they don't really have Cancun FC here. They have their own team here, which is Inter Playa FC. We'll see. What do they want? What do they want? Anything? Amigo, quiero comprar una camiseta de Cancun FC o Interplaya. ¿Tiene? No lo es, de nada. Ah, yo probo. I don't want to buy it from in there though, really. Nah, I wanted to buy it off one of these street vendors. It was no mezcal. Oh, it's a tequila shop. Let's try it here.
Hola.
Hola, amigo. Let's see. Amigo, ¿tienes una camiseta de Cancun FC o Interplaya?
Interplaya no.
No.
Only have Mexico.
A México, sí.
Playera de Cancún o algo así. Caballero. Córtala, con mi amigo.
Gracias. Buenos días. Yo quiero comprar una camiseta de equipo de fútbol local de Interplaya. ¿Tienes?
Oh, de Playa Del Carmen.
Sí, sí.
No, pues maybe in this store. In this store.
En el centro comercial.
Sí, yellow one.
Yellow one. Okay. María.
I got different size.
Yeah. Yo probo aquí,
Right.
pero nada.
Where are you from?
Soy de Inglaterra.
Welcome to Playa Del Carmen.
Gracias, amigo. Estoy aprendiendo de español, sí, primera vez.
Es buen español.
Ajá,
amigo.
muchas gracias.
¿Dónde lo aprendiste?
En la computadora. Mi profesor es de Argentina y acento diferente. Sí. Y yo probo aquí. Sí.
Locales.
Sí.
¿Quieres locales?
Locales, sí, sí. Ah, sí.
Bienvenido.
Muchas gracias, amigo. Mucho gusto.
Mira, locales. ¿Hablas español?
Un poco, estoy aprendiendo.
Bueno, locales tengo las Chivas,
Chivas.
tengo a los Tigres, que es locales, tengo a los Pumas también.
¿Qué tu gusto?
Me gustó.
Yeah.
Es cartas tan buenos todos. Este es buenísimo.
Este es,
sí.
Sí.
Este es el, le decimos aquí en México, es el pesado.
Sí. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
No, tranquilo. ¿Tú hablas
Así,
español? Yo te hago precio especial para ti.
Necesito plata, tengo solo $20. on me. I need to get some more cash.
No,
Or-
pero aceptamos tarjeta.
tarjeta.
Sí, no hay
Ah,
problema. And you know what? In this place we not charge tax.
Ah,
Tax
bueno.
is free.
Sí.
Algunas tiendas cobran el 12%.
Sí.
Pero aquí no,
Mucho.
es libre.
Ah, sí, gracias.
¿Qué
¿Cuán-
talla necesitas? Un momentito, ahorita te hago tu precio especial porque hablas español. ¿Son familia? ¿Vienes con tu familia?
No, sí, estoy aquí con mi novia. Mi novia. Ella es con su hermana allí.
Más para allá.
Y es más para allá.
Mira, amigo, son 3,500. Te voy a dar el 30%. Dos con 300.
¿En dólares? ¿Cuánto?
120.
20. Ah, no, muy caro, amigo.
Muy
no.
caro. ¿Algo por cuánto buscabas?
O sea, 120 dólares. Ah, no.
Es que son
no,
reales.
No, es muy caro para mí.
¿Algo por cuánto buscabas, más o menos? Sin compromiso.
No, no.
Sin compromiso.
No.
Más o menos.
Sí. Es muy caro para mí, amigo.
No. Pero pregunto, tú, más o menos, algo por cuánto buscas.
Sí, yo no sé la. I didn't know the price. I didn't know how much. I'm not sure. I don't know what the prices are, so I wanted to find out.
Vamos a hacer eso.
No, no quiero.
No.
No.
65,
No, es muy caro, amigo. Lo siento.
tu mejor precio.
Sí, maybe 50 dólares was a 50. Es muy caro.
50.
¿Cuánto es 5 y 0? No.
No,
De nada. No,
¿cuánto?
es muy caro. No, de nada, amigo. Muy caro.
Sí,
Lo
pues.
siento. No, está bien. De nada. Nosotros.
nada.
Nada. Lo siento. Gracias, amigo.
60.
60. No, gracias, amigo.
50.
No, amigo. De nada. Gracias. 40. 30. 30. 30. No.
Esa es calidad normal.
De nada.
No es basura.
No. Dude was trying to get me to pay $120. Man, fuck that. $120. Absolutely not. I was thinking it'd be like $20 or $30. That is absolutely not. Fuck this, man. I bet if it were a random one, it would be like, $10 or something. What a scam. Here we go, is what we're looking for. Playa Del Carmen sign. Here we are. Yeah. There we are. We made it. We're at a central point of Playa Del Carmen. Let's see what's going on. I used to have a drink. It's a funny name. Where is it? It's called Dick's and Willie's. Big Dick's, Big Willie's. But lovely spot. Dick's and Willie's Daiquiri Bar. It's the water right now. A lot of this moss is washing up. It's quite choppy. Funny enough, we actually went to book a tour to Istanbul Jerez, and the guy said to wait because the water is quite bad at the moment, and we can see it's very choppy, and it's like an hour journey across. I can see buildings over there. Let me see if I can work out where that is, and I'll come back to you. We've just left Dick's and Willie's, had a couple of drinks. Now we're off just exploring. This is there's some sort of Mayan display going on there, but I asked the guy how much he would pay for a jersey, and he said I'd go to Nova Sport, which is somewhere else here. I can get one much cheaper, but he said, oh, they charge the gringo more. I was like, gringo? Are they? Maybe it's the Playa Del Carmen hat. Maybe that's what gives it away. But yeah, sun's just going down now. We've got like an hour left of sun. Just strolling back. Oh, just been chatting to this guy. He's trying to sell tequila. I want a tequila. ¿Dónde está mi amigo? Quiero una trago de tequila. Una. ¿Dónde está amigo aquí? Ah, sí, amigo. Una de tequila. Una. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Tú tranquilo, yo calmado.
Dos.
¿Cuál quieres, don Julio?
Sí. Un taxi pronto, rápido.
¿Dónde está Tano?
¿Cuánto?
150.
50. ¿Dónde está?
7.
Mira, te voy a consentir.
Dos. Uno.
¿Sí? ¿Para mí? Oh, ya
¿Cuánto
está.
cuesta? Tengo 100 y 150.
Son 300 pesos.
300. ¿Sí? ¿300?
No, esos son 50. 50. 150 for each.
150. Ah, sí, no tengo.
No, ¿cuánto?
Solo
¿Tienes 150?
tengo solo todo.
¿Cuánto tienes?
Sí.
Ah, ya vale.
Taxi.
Ok,
Aquí. Yo
tómate
tomo
uno.
turno. Gracias, amigo.
Órale, vale.
Gracias, amigo. Mucho gusto. Gracias, amigo. Taxi's here. That was. Yeah, I got one. Gracias. Taxi aquí. Buenos días, amigo. ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien.
Gracias. Yo tomo una shota de tequila ahí.
Ah, ¿sí?
Rápido. Te gustó.
Was it nice?
Yeah, it was nice actually.
Yeah.
Surprising. No, compared to whatever one I had yo tomo Fandango. Fandango?
No.
Tienes Fandango? No. I was shot
Probably
the other
that
day.
shit stuff.
It was a
That's what
tequila. It was not nice, but yeah, gonna wrap the
was this
vlog.
one?
This was Don Julio. Sí.
Muy bueno.
Sí, muy bueno.
How much was it?
It was 150. So what's that, like £3 or something, £4?
Yeah.
But that's alright. Alright, gonna wrap the vlog off here. Sayonara.